Hi, my name is Stuart Laws. I work for the UK Ministry of Defence in the Defence Innovation Unit. My primary role is around cross-sector innovation and defence-focused innovation challenges and how we solve defence problems, whether they are problems for defence to solve or whether defence has got a key role to play in solving a shared challenge with the civil sector as well. And that's one of the reasons why I'm here at SPACEtalks 2 today, is to meet other parts of the civil sector, other interested stakeholders who may share challenges or have things which they can share with us or would be interested in working with us to solve those problems. So today I was also a chair of a panel discussion which was United We Reach the Stars, and that focused on the benefits of private and public sector collaboration to solve problems and to achieve and deliver capability as the space market and all the activities and capability progresses going forward. And that's been the real key things. There have been some really good conversations, some points that I hadn't considered that I need to run away now and figure out how I'm going to tie those into my future challenges as well. So if you get a chance, please do come and join us next time.
Hi, this is Ray Stott at this SPACEtalks conference in London. We're here in the beautiful city of London at a one-day conference that we've been very passionate to attend for the last year and a half because of COVID lockdown, and we're here talking about space. We have about 150 guests here to meet and greet, and we've got a very large online audience. Why are we here? Well, space is back in business. We're talking about space worldwide, the finance, the tech, the upstream, all about the tech, the downstream, how we use space. We've got an eclectic mix of speakers, and also we've got guests talking about passionate things that they want to talk about in panels, but also Q&A from the audience. So it's a very full packed day, great refreshments. We're south of London in a very nice area near Docklands. And yeah, why did Space Specialists, that's the company I work for, decide to come and work at SPACEtalks? It's the 19th of October 2021. Well, SPACEtalks has been running for already a year, and we think it's the perfect environment to get those new clients, talk and network in the industry, and really make an impact, because there's lots of conferences that people have been to many times before. It's great to get out and meet people, but also see some innovation in the way that we do the conferences. And that's what Cosmonauts are doing. Cosmonauts is the organization behind SPACEtalks 2.0, and Cosmonauts are doing this next year. So if you're interested, check it out. We're online. We'll also be blogging about this, lots of social media. And if you want to exhibit, it's a great place, great refreshments, and lots of interaction with the on-site presence as well. So we, Space Specialists, we offer three things. We do recruitment, training, and consultancy globally. So that means we put people into space jobs worldwide. We help companies with a technical or admin or managerial piece of expertise that they want some help in the space sector. And we also train from industry experts, passing their knowledge on to the new space environment. SPACEtalks is a fantastic environment to transfer this knowledge into the new space sector. We've got investors here, and it's a great environment just to have serendipity happen. And it's great just to meet people after being a year and a half in lockdown.
My name is Annette Toivonen. I'm a future tourism researcher in space tourism, and also an author of a book called Sustainable Space Tourism, An Introduction. My PhD is investigating how to enhance sustainability in this new space industry. And I also established, based on the findings of my research, I established a university course a couple of years ago called Responsible Space Tourism that I have been now teaching in the Haaga-Helia University of Applied Sciences in Finland. I'm one of the speakers of the Space Talks event today. It has been a really fantastic conference, hearing fascinating angles of all kinds of sectors of this new space industry. And I have really enjoyed being here. And I do highly recommend this conference for the future participants to join.
My name is Sapar Sataev. I'm from Kazakhstan originally, and I represent today in this event Head Technology France. It's a company that works in space industry. We are commercializing Earth observation data from Chinese satellites, and we are operating our own low Earth orbit satellite communication system, satellite IoT. So today I'm speaking in the panel session, Holistic Space. So we were talking about general in space industry development and investment in space industry and the development of the space tourism. So I will share my personal opinion. In general, I'm enjoying stay in today's event. It's very interesting after, let's say, 2 years of COVID restrictions. So I met a lot of interesting people here, and I would love to take part again in the next event organized by today's company.
My name is Dr. Christoph Beischel. I am a research fellow at the London Institute of Space Policy and Law, and I was part of a panel today. I had been invited graciously. I really enjoyed my time here. It is excellently organized mixed event between online and offline, and this is also an excellent networking opportunity that I can only recommend anyone to attend in the future.
Hi, I'm Nasif Al-Mustafa. I'm the CEO of Granta. We're the first UK R&D tax company to combine experienced consultants with an online proprietary portal. And we're here at SPACEtalks because we're massive in aerospace and agriculture, and this seems like the first great place after lockdown to come and meet people in person, meet people in industry, meet people in ancillary services like we are, such as investors. So it's been a great experience so far. Really balanced panels with people from all around the world. So you get lots of different opinions. And yeah, just great to meet people face to face for the first time in a very long time. Because I was quite surprised by the balance of voices out there, because space can get a bit geopolitics in terms of the talk. So it's good to have kind of balancing opinions that don't kind of overtake the technical aspects that people are here to talk about, but obviously give great context and don't kind of highlight the bias of the different panelists and balance that out. So it's great perspective, that you get from SPACEtalks.